Hey guys, let me show you how to quickly reset your JBL PartyBox Encore speaker. So let's get started. Firstly, before resetting it, we just need to turn it on. So press and hold this power button until you hear a chime and it will light up. Let's just wait for the chime. Great, and now we can reset it by pressing and holding this light button and this play button at the same time until you will see that it will light up like a rainbow and then turns off, and then in a couple of seconds it will turn on again and automatically go in a pairing mode. So let's do it now. It will take about 10 seconds, so let's just wait. Great, and now it is in a pairing mode, so the reset process has been successfully completed and you can try to reconnect it again with the phone. So that was all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.